If you're encountering missing chats in the Character AI app, there's a workaround available until a permanent fix is implemented. Currently, the recommended solution involves accessing the app through its website on a laptop rather than using the mobile application directly. By logging in with the same account credentials, users have reported success in restoring some of their missing chats. However, it's important to note that while this workaround may work for some, the app itself still experiences glitches, leading to chat discrepancies for certain users. In such cases, patience is required as developers work on releasing updates or technical fixes to address these issues. Alternatively, users can explore using previous versions of the app that do not have this particular bug. While this requires technical knowledge on how to revert to earlier versions, some individuals have managed to do so by accessing specific app versions through app stores. In instances where the above solutions are not feasible or effective, users may opt to utilize alternative messaging applications such as Toki app as a temporary workaround. Ultimately, while these solutions provide temporary relief, it's essential to stay informed about official updates from the app developers regarding permanent resolutions to the missing chats issue.